Hey guys, I started pulling the motor, did some work to it, and not enough compression to run. It's laid out. And I started pulling. I thought I'd better grab the camera before I got too far. But, got sitting on a jack and a board, axle stand. I think I've got everything disconnected. Now we'll see what happens here and try lifting her up. It's catching on something. I think it'll be alright. I don't see anything here. I'll lift her up some more. It's kind of a pain in the ass to do by yourself. Something is lifting on it. Maybe not. Well, it should come out of there. Okay, that was a plug wire. Okay. Yeah, we'll try this again. There we go. Motor's out. It didn't take long either. It took me about 15 minutes. Disconnect everything. 20 minutes. But, there's the motor. I think somebody's done some work to it, because it's got polyurethane bushings there, and on the tranny, new boots on the axles. Anyhow, this is where we're at. I'll get this motor out from underneath here and figure out what we're going to do with that, or where we're going to put it. Then I'll get back to tearing some more of this thing apart. Okay. Till then.